Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to earn tcash in Township. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my phone and this is how my town looks like. So right here in the top right corner, you're going to find your coins and also your tcash. If you click for example on the plus next to tcash, as you can see guys from here, you can buy Tcash with real money. As you can see guys, I only have 38 Tcash. So basically guys, in order to earn some Tcash, just go to the left side and you're going to find a little note icon. If you click on it, right here, you're going to find the available tasks to do. If you complete any task, you're going to get some rewards. For example, in the plant wheat task, if you click on this little gift box icon, you're going to see which rewards you're going to get after completing these tasks. For example, if I complete the plant wheat task, I'm going to get 9 XPs and also 8 coins. You can also find some rewards like the Tcash in these tasks. For example, I'm going to click on go in order to plant wheat. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit right here. I'm going to hold click on the wheat and I'm going to drag it like this. And as you can see guys, now I planted the wheat. All you need to do guys right now is go back to the notes icon, click right here. And as you can see guys, now I completed my task and I'm going to get my reward. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.